Warning: the following video contains strong language which may be offensive to some viewers or inappropriate for children. The content within this video is intended for mature audiences only.
Always welcome back to the channel. I'm going to pull up the information whilst I'm sat here for motogp because I kind of forgot what happened. Here we go. Right. The results of a French Grand Prix. That was an interesting race weekend, if you ask me. I watched Friday, which, let's be honest, that was basically the best conditions you could have got, was on the Friday. FP1 was all the fast times getting done. It's tough because it's only tough because there wasn't really anything to look forward to over the weekend. Quartararo last race weekend was a phenomenal ride from him until his brake, quick shifter, I believe you were, that broke. But he thought it was his actual gear knob low enough. But yeah, it was his actual quick shifter passing him, so he couldn't change gears downward. So he would have to use the clutch, which you lose, what, 1-2 seconds, if you like, at his level, which is one of the best in the world for motorcycle racing. This is in MotoGP. So anyway, qualifying, not bad qualifying. Obviously with the crossover, the rain and terrible conditions, then went into the Sunday, and in the Sunday, warm-up was, because of how cold it was on the Sunday, very unusual this time of year. It was track temperature, I think it was only the highs of 20-21 degrees. The track temperature, incredibly cold. And we went to the race, and even before the race started, we had a couple of falls. You and Mia fell off because of Abraham. He decided to warm his brakes up. That's the best way from the onboard that we could say. He goes to brake and instantly turns into Pirro of Mugello last year, and bye bye Abraham, which Mia crashed to, you know, he got caught up in it, in a sense, and Zarco had to cut to the outside. Luckily he didn't go behind the safety car because of the incident, but Mia and Abraham had to run back to the pit. Mia got out just before the leaders got back around for the first lap, whilst Abraham left as the front three crossed the finish line, so he got disqualified instantly. The race was quite boring for big portions of it. Now, how to put this into contention is, Marquez really just run away with it. Let's be honest here. I'm just going to have a look at the time he won by. 1.9 seconds over Andrea Dovizioso and Petrucci. So we had Marquez winning the 300th Grand Prix event for Honda. Then the two Ducatis. There was actually 3 Ducatis, top 4, which ain't bad, all factory rides. Then you got Valentino, Paul Espargaro on the KTM. That ain't a bad ride. Quartararo 8th, behind his teammate Morbidelli? Well, fucking hell. Calcutta finished 9th. Bad. Something wrong with the Honda, which I do want to get into actually. Now, the problem with the Honda is something engine brake wise. Now, if everybody had dealt it before the first race of the year, i.e. when the Qatar test was on, they could have done something about it. Right. Because that was 3-4 days it finished before the race started. So yeah, when testing finishes in Qatar, you go back, make your final changes, and then you submit if you're factory teams that are not. I don't know the best way to describe this. If you're not got concessions, you have to submit your engines for sealant. Once they're sealed, you cannot tamper with them. You only have a certain allocation, I believe. So many engines. And I think there's only like 2 teams that have got concessions, which is KTM and Aprilia. I think that's the only 2. And I would need to check that one. But yeah, I think they're the only 2 that got concessions. So basically, a week prior to the event, like in Aprilia's case, Bradley Smith would go out, and in KTM's case, when Danny Pedrosa finishes his injury proneness, he will then go up a week before, maybe even 2 weeks before, test conditions, test everything with the bikes, because they're legally allowed to, under the rule package. Now, over the course of the weekend, the commentators on BT mainly, because obviously that's how I have to watch it, what they were saying was the rules that MotoGP have, the concessions and that, really should be brought into the dock as other motorsport, which is World Superbikes. Now, if you look at World Superbikes and MotoGP, same company owns them, and they're the top 2 series for motorcycle racing. If you win in MotoGP, you have made it, no matter what. What else? So yeah, they would love to see that, because Ducati this season in MotoGP dominated completely because of the V4 MotoGP bike.